Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this two-piece bathing suit. But first, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, when you receive your bathing suit, it will come in a package just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, I got the top here and I got the bottoms. So the bottom is a pair of shorts. So take a look. They're like longer shorts. And next we have the top here. This is like a tie-dye shirt. As you can see, it is full coverage, a nice length. I am 5'5" for reference. So these bathing suits are available from sizes 1X all the way up to 6XL. So very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on now and let's see what it looks like. All right, so I got both of them on here. As you can see, it is nice. It is loose fitting. As you can see, the shorts actually go underneath my arm. So you can see the shorts do have a slit right here. The shorts go just right above the knee, so they are kind of long if you don't like to wear the underwear type or those short shorts. These are actually a good length, good medium length, right above the knee. As you can see, the shirt is nice and flowy. It has full coverage. The sleeves are very nice. I'm going to give you a closer look at that. Nice stretchy material. And again, this is available in a variety of colors, so tie-dye is just not your thing. Don't worry, because there is many styles to choose from. I'm currently wearing a 1XL for reference, so take a look. And also another thing that I forgot to mention is that the shorts do have a pair of underwear. So it is the shorts, but they do have underwear underneath. So it's not just the shorts directly. You will also get underwear integrated into the shorts. So if you've been looking for a two-piece set, something that is full coverage, something that's available in larger sizes and also has different styles available, then definitely check these out. I'll go ahead and link them down below for you. And also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.